First thing you're going to do when you're going to use the boat, what's the first thing you're going to do?
You're going to turn the gas on.
Okay, why don't you go do that?
Okay.
I'll do the rest here. Okay. Looking at the dashboard here, we have the gas shut off at the dashboard. I'm going to turn that on. Next thing we're going to do is make sure that the ignition timing is fully retarded all the way over to the right. Then I'm going to pull on the ignition switch. I'm in the slip, I have the prop halfway up. So I've got the timing retarded, ignition is on. I just have the button here. Sometimes you might have to use the choke, but the engine is hot, so you shouldn't have to use the choke. And I'm just going to hit the start button. And as soon as it starts, I advance the timing. A backfire indicates that the engine might be running a bit too lean. So because it might be lean, there's a little adjustment. I'm going to do that now so you don't have to worry about it. I'm just going to turn this needle a little bit counterclockwise. That will enrich in the fuel mixture. And now I'm back fully retarded, ignition on, choke is off. I'm going to give it a bit of choke this time. Okay, so because I'm tied to the dock, it didn't run it that long. The gas, now that we finished using the boat, I'm going to turn the gas off at the dashboard here. And then we'll turn off the gas up at the tank. And on the device here, I have the prop all the way up because we're in a fairly shallow slip. I've pulled the handle all the way up and I've pushed the toggle down, which locks the position. And now we're shut down. And I'm just going to put the seat back in, and that should be it.